So this is a package from Shahab and Hila, GC4, GC Records, one of my best friends, and we did a collab project. And I'm so excited to see this. I've been waiting for Christmas to open this present. Like, I just got it the other day, but during COVID, I knew that they were all going stir crazy. So I sent them 4 pieces of canvas in the same box, actually. Alright, we're done with the knife. Put the knife away, Craig. Oh my god. Alright. I don't know which one I want to grab first. Indigo, which one do you want to grab first? You want to pick one?
Oh.
Which one do you want to pick?
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Right.
Look at them.
Oh my god. Alright, so...
Indigo, which one?
So I drew all over these like, I mean, they were simple, but it was just like to keep the kids busy, like, you know, like just give them something to do. And so it's a collaboration project. Look at this. Oh.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
That is amazing.
That is incredible.
How did they even attach it? How is it? Oh, they glued it. Yeah, they. Because alright, so the back, like, hello, where are you, friend? Like, so this is all. Oh my god, this is. Oh, I can't wait to hang these up.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
They definitely get a whole corner to themselves in our apartment.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Yeah, and actually the colors, if you look at it, so it's oranges on the side over here, like, and blues, and
oh, this is so cool.
Oh, okay. So we gotta like it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love collaboration projects. This is so. Oh wait, there's a little card here. Oh. The Christopher Crypt. Okay, we'll get back to the Christopher Crypt. Goddamn shop, you always have to one up. I'll give you publicity. Oh my god, this is. If I had a robot heart, this would. Okay. Oh god. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh. I wish I could shuffle these. Like, I don't know how to do this. Like,
this is perfect. Randomly draw.
Yeah.
Here we go. Which one's gonna be next? Oh my god.
This is the one that Hila did. I know because she posted on Instagram, I think. Oh my god, it's even more. It's totally Hila too. Oh my god. Thank you, Hila. There's so many layers. This is so fucking beautiful. It's so thoughtful. Oh my god, I can't wait to hang these up. These are gonna be like. And the history of like me and Shahab and Hila and like GC Records, like just the punk style of this shit, man. And just being friends. Little heart, I mean, oh my god. And they kept the NKDBY on the sides and like just
That's so beautiful.
It's so rich. This is definitely like Jean-Michel Basquiat. Like, I mean, oh my god, look at this together. I don't even know. There's no way. Okay. Yeah. This is so good. This is like the best Christmas I've had in a long time. Nice. Oh man, like I see you. Like that's. I don't know. I would say Mata, maybe. It seems like her style. She's, I don't know. Damn. I don't know. Can you see this? It's just like
piercing.
She just took everything. Yeah, it's very piercing. It's just like I see right at you. Like I call you out. Maybe I should paint on this and send it back.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Just to see what happens. But I
definitely.
Think, yeah. Like she's calling me out. God, this is the best Christmas ever. But it almost looks like. Wow. Okay. But I'm still not sure who painted this. I'm pretty sure, I know that was Gila. That had to be Gila. Alright. Man, this is good. This is so good. I love this. Oh my god. And they flipped? Yeah. Alright, 2 out of 3. Alright. Okay. Alright, last one. Damn, this is so good. That's the top. That hasn't been the top. Okay. Wow. That is so fucking cute. What is that? Oh. Paint on the sides to match. Oh, that's great. Okay. Oh.
They're amazing.
There's more in there. Oh my god. I can't get, like... I guess I don't have to guess. I mean, definitely not Tila. I'll say that's Batab, that's Arazu, and that's... Sharon. That's what I would say, if I had a best guess. Just because that's so fascinating, but goddamn, look at that. That's like folk art and like the most non-Americana way you could possibly have it. Alright, so... Yeah, these are amazing. And then... Okay, yeah. Jackson. So this is probably one of the most poetic and heartfelt books I've read in a long time. With Lords of St. Thomas. Jackson Ellis, one of our good friends. Man, what an amazing book. So I guess, yeah, a little postcard. A little part of American history, actually, that he kind of glamorized, but imprinted in our minds that we probably would have never thought about. Wow. Holy shit. Damn. Okay, so this is what I like about DC Records, is when I do collaboration projects, I get shit I never heard of. And thank God there's a bit of records still doing that. Just industrial houses that still promote and do this so that you can, I mean, I can't wait to hear this. And there's the little logo, which I love.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Yeah. Just listen to new music, you know, just
we should put it on.
Yeah, we can. But the punk scene isn't just about punk music, it's about allowing or giving the people the chance to hear alternatives to the realities that you're given. So that's what GC Record does. Like Distro House. I mean, and shit.
Oh my god, those are so cool. Those
so
are
I gave
cool.
my golden ones away.
So now you get some silvers.
Silvers. I'll finish opening up this present, and then we'll do the rest. But I want you, Shahab, I want you to see this. Like, I'm so fucking happy right now. Yeah, this is like the best Christmas fucking ever. I still think I'm right though. Alright, Shahab, I'm gonna say this is you. This has me, Shahab. I know this is Hilo. Top. And yeah, there's yes. Yeah, okay, I think you got it. The spinner though, oh my god. Kitty. Alright, alright. There's a couple there's stickers in there. Right. Sorry, this is my favorite. I might just go walk outside now and just like brilliant. It's fucking brilliant. Effing. We'll edit this. Okay. Oh my god, there's so many stickers. Oh nice. Oh, and the original GC record. Yes. God, yes. Oh god. Alright. David Joe. Oh man. Alright. David Joe, I have to look. I don't know them. I'll be honest. Holy shit. Did you put the receipt in here so I know how much you owe you for shipping this out? Is that that's my original receipt. That's how much you owe me. Alright, yeah, we got this. Look at these stickers. Alright. Oh, wow. Next time you want to do this, like, I want to be a part of the art. Alright. Shit. Okay. I think we're done here. God damn. Let me hold my trophies up. These are from from a dumb idea, from an alcoholic sitting at his house, like going through COVID. Hold on. I love you guys. That's my art opening of your project.